Hey creators, today we are diving into Adobe After Effects to master the art of looping any video. Whether you are a pro or just starting out, this tutorial got something for you. So we are back in the interface of Adobe After Effects. You can't duplicate your videos continuously by pressing Ctrl+D and aligning it. So I have a trick for you. Just press Ctrl+Z. Now right click the layer. Now click on reveal. Now click on reveal layer source in project. Now again right click the layer. Now click on interpret footage. Now click on main. In the bottom you'll see an option named as loop. Just change to 5 times and hit enter on your keyboard. And we'll close the project panel. And now just expand your video layer. So it's done. So that's a wrap, and if you learn anything new, then hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips. And if you want to learn text animation and motion graphics, the link is here, you can check it out. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep creating and make your amazing effects.